What's up, Soul Squad? What's up, family? It is Tuesday. Really, it is Sunday, but you're getting this video on a Tuesday. What am I cooking for Sunday dinner? Y'all, it's cold. Well, I ain't gonna say it's cold. It's chilly outside. We got that fall atmosphere going on. It's time to cook. We gotta get ready for the holidays, and we need some good food in our body. But that being said, welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my loyalty people who've been here forever. Guys, I got that membership coming. Guys, there's gonna be some perks in there. It's coming real soon. But until then, let's cook some Sunday dinner. What's on that? Homemade mashed potatoes, some broccoli, and guys, I have not, this is the most easiest thing you could do. This is not a promotion video. I have not had this in 2 years, and my kids wanted it back again. This is the most easy thing you could do. These are these Purdue pre-bagged, pre-seasoned rotisserie chickens. Just take them out the bag. I pluck a little hole in the corner of mine, drain some of the juice out, and then stick it in my aluminum pan, put it on 350, let it cook. That's what we doing. Like, cooking don't have to be hard. It could be easy. Food could be good. I'm using these. It takes 2 to feed my family. Follow the instructions on the back. I don't care nothing about the instructions on the back. I know what to do, right? So, I got my 2 birds right here. They're ready to go. You don't have to do anything to them, and they come out so juicy, easy cleanup. These are going in the oven. My oven has been preheated to 350. Yeah, let's put them in the oven. That's it. That's all. And normally what I do, I don't do my sides until about maybe an hour and a half after my meat's been cooking. I let my meat cook about for an hour, hour and a half. Then I start my sides. So this chicken is going in the oven. Oh, and I got my aluminum pan. I got to double it on 350. Woo, woo, it's heavy. Middle rack. That's it. That's all. I see you back. I almost dropped the chicken. They will beat me up. Okay, we'll be back with the sides. All right, Soul Squad, we're back. I got my broccoli I'm about to turn on a medium. Wait a minute tonight. Come on, I hate this. Oh, I'm like the wrong one. There we go. I got a little bit of water in here. Turn this on low. I don't have a lot of broccoli because everybody don't eat broccoli. And then I thought when I said order family size, season with some garlic powder, onion powder, put some butter in there. I got my potatoes. I got about 7 large potatoes I cut up. I got a picture of, ooh, sorry, fool. Cold water so they could cook. But I'm also going to add in some chicken broth, maybe a cup of chicken broth, low sodium, just to give it extra flavor. So I'm going to say some of this chicken broth because guess what? I'll make some gravy. And we're going to let those cook until fork tender. This is it. The potatoes is on. The broccoli is on. The chicken is still cooking. So when we come back, we're going to do the potatoes. Finish season the broccoli. That chicken should be done. So, Squad, we're back. Look at my mashed potatoes. When I say I let these things cook, I let them cook till they just like really break up. Just because I'm using the masher, cream cheese room temperature. Guys, cream cheese room temperature. I got a stick and a half of butter. Got some garlic powder. I'm gonna put up in there. Yeah, that's what she's doing. If you want salt, I can't find my salt. Remember to add salt to yours. I'm salt in this house somewhere. Got some granulated Parmesan. Woo! I got bumps in it. Parmesan. What's that stuff called? Cheese. It got me some good old whole milk because it's fat. You want that fatness. That's how I make it. Remember? I make a mess. But your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. And I got my stove on. And what I didn't have at room temperature, I didn't have my butter at room temperature. But it's okay. See how long I let those potatoes cook? And it's so easy. But that butter is melting because everything is hot. And one thing I like about homemade mashed potatoes, Man, give me some of them lumps. I ain't gotta have a whole lot. Give me some though. That butter melting up. And I'm always making a mess when I cook. And this is a workout. Well, I'm always making a mess. But look at that. And it's lumpy. I know y'all want to sit here and watch me whip. And let it whip. Because she's really tired. Let her nana. But I'm going to mash. And whip these up. I'm going to taste them. Remember guys, when you cooking, taste is important. Flavor is important. So I'm going to go on a hunt. My salt is in one of these cabinets. But my butter is melting. But look at the mashed potatoes. We're going to be right back. I need to find the salt. So guys, I'm back and we're making gravy. Somebody out there told me they didn't know they could make gravy with my SoulfulT flour. Yes, you can. All the seasons out there. You don't need nothing else. Now, when making gravy, honey, I had to make it like, I don't know how many times in my life to get it right. It's like 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, almost equal parts. So, I got 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going with 3 tablespoons of flour. And no, I didn't measure it. You can measure it. It's just something about measuring I just don't do. And look all the seasoning that's in that flour. You don't have to season your gravy. You know, you be seasoning your gravy, you got your water, you got your butter. Back in the day, you used to make gravy with oil. With your leftover, usually chicken oil, just some vegetable oil. But making it with butter is better. I'm stirring it up for a few seconds because you won't want that flour taste in your gravy. My chicken, guys, one thing about that Purdue chicken in the bag, I cuts it open when it get kind of done to let it get kind of dark, but then your skin sticks to the bag. Maybe that's some reason why I don't buy it that much, because I like that crispy skin. But it does help when you're trying to be quick and fast and you don't want to season it. So, I got my stove on low. Yes. So this is some of the juices, because it do make juice. And the gravy, the flour is so flavorful. You don't have to use a broth. You can use just straight water. But I want to use a broth because I had it on hand. If I didn't have a broth, I could use straight water, guys. Just straight water. And the flavor will be there and it will bring that gravy to life. You guys know, a lot of you guys have made my gravy using, ooh, I don't want to stir it too much. And you know, depends on how much gravy you want, how thick you want it. I'm gonna add some of this chicken broth I got right here. High flavor. I found the salt for these mashed potatoes. This is gonna thicken up, guys. And I'm gonna put some chicken in it. I'm gonna cut up this Purdue, put some chicken in it. This is on low. And while that's doing what it do, let's go ahead to these mashed potatoes. Take the top off. Let's the top right here real quick. I found my salt. Just a little bit of salt. Not a whole lot. And then once they get it on their plate and they find out they need more, then let them go for it. But look at that. Nice and creamy, chunky. Garlicly. Garlicly, is that even a word? I put some of the gravy over here, but that's okay. It's all gonna go together. Look at that. Mashed potatoes. Fluffy. Look at that. That's how I like my mashed potatoes. Alright. Oh. That's good to go. You taste the salt. I'm going to wash this off. I'll go back into the gravy. Cut up this chicken. We're going to make a plate. So guys, this is my chicken. You know how it gets stuck in the Purdue? But guess what? Look how silky this gravy is. Look at that gravy. That look good. Had to let this chicken cool down some so that I could. Oh, look at that. Look how juicy this chicken is. It's going in the gravy. Look how juicy that chicken is. Look at that chicken. Whew. Oh, give me them tongues. I thought it was cool down. This chicken is hot. Them red tongues right there. Sitting there right in the gravy, y'all. Fall apart. It's tender and juicy. So when they make their plates, they ain't got to worry about nothing. The chicken is done and it's juicy. So it does come in handy. It's just like I did. I had to split, and it makes a lot of juice that you can use for your gravy. But I just stuck it all. I'm just sticking it all in this gravy. Not all of it. I'm just going to do one. And make some plates, y'all. Ooh, this is nice. They eating good tonight. And they pork red skin slaws. So, you know, look at that. As I fix the plates, I'll put everybody some chicken in there. I mean some gravy in the chicken. Now that looks good. I'm gonna cut that off. And let's make this plate. We got some broccoli. Right here. Ooh. Oh, you up in my, I'm using my, I can't see. Okay. Got some broccoli right there. Where my tongue's at. Sunday night dinner. I'm gonna go with this big baby. Somebody be like, whoa. Yeah, somebody hit the leg quarters, right? And I gotta get another spoon for my mashed potatoes. We be back. Alright guys, and guess look at here. Homemade. Not that box. Homemade mashed potatoes. Now, I'm not gonna put no gravy on their mashed potatoes because everybody may not like gravy on their mashed potatoes. So I let that to each his own. But I'm gonna add a little bit more of that gravy on top of that chicken. Sunday night dinner, guys. In my house. Your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Until next video, like, share, subscribe. Get your flower in the description below. Yeah, Soul Squad, we're out. Want some?